Bro, living in a hostel or PG? Here's a simple 50-second morning routine to start your day right. No fancy tools, no excuses. Let's go. Step 1. Splash your face. First, splash your face with cold water. It wakes you up instantly and gets your blood flowing. No need for a fancy skincare routine, just cold water and you're good to go. Step 2. Stretch your body. Next, stretch your body. Reach for the sky, touch your toes, and loosen up. It's quick, easy, and gets your body moving. Step 3. Drink water. Then, drink a glass of water. Hydration is key. Keep a bottle by your bed. It's cheap, simple, and sets your body up for the day. Step 4. Plan your top 1 task. Finally, plan your top 1 task for the day. Write it down or just think about it. Focus on one thing that will move you forward. Keep it simple, keep it clear. That's it. 50 seconds to start your day strong. Like this video, comment, I'm in, and let's crush it. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple life hacks